Mahindra Group leading towards sustainable development. Mahindra Group, Mahindra and Mahindra, M&M, Tech Mahindra and Mahindra Lifespace, all part of the Mahindra Group, which have been named to the leadership band for corporate sustainability by global environmental non-profit CDP. M&M and Tech Mahindra are the only Indian corporations that appear on the leadership bands, a list for both climate and water-related disclosures, while Mahindra Lifespan a list for climate-related disclosures. This year, 12,000 worldwide companies earned acknowledgements utilizing CDP's questionnaires. CDP utilizes a comprehensive method to evaluate the disclosures as well as rates groups from A to D based on the comprehensiveness of disclosure, understanding, and management of environmental hazards, an exhibition of best practices associated with environmental leadership, such as setting enterprising and significant targets. The Carbon Disclosure Project's annual environmental revelation and grade protocol are widely considered the Fortune standard of business environmental candor. In 2021, CDP's platform was used by over 590 investors with over $110 trillion in assets and 200 big purchasers with $5.5 trillion in procurement expenditure to obtain data on environmental impacts, risks, and opportunities. 3 Mahindra Group firms have been nominated to CDP's leadership band, demonstrating our commitment to meeting climate commitments. For more than a decade, we have been reporting on our sustainability initiatives, and we were among the first to commit to increasing energy productivity, introducing an internal carbon pricing system, moving to 100% renewable energy, adopting the science-based targets, and becoming carbon neutral. We are on the right track to bettering ourselves for the greater good.